Right. Okay. Hopefully you can hear me, Helen. Yeah, I'm just going to run through this very quickly just so you can help populate the dooup website. Once you've logged in, you'll come to the dashboard screen. It's very straightforward. Just go visit site. And builds the site there. Now, I don't think there's lots of things that need changing. These are awkward and stuff. I'm going to do that. What I really need help is just getting the text and stuff in there. As you can see, it's based on using exactly the same template from Machine Fitness. So things need to be changed. Don't worry about, I've started to change them there. Look at those 4 prints and stuff like the coloring. So don't worry about that so much. It's really doing things like the garden page and the FAQs. So the garden page now has nothing. So that needs to be sorted out. There's just gaps there. And the FAQs. Yeah. So for example, you could do this. You could start filling out questions and answers or transferring those. So you just go up here and click Enable Visual Builder. Takes a little time. And then once it's open, quite straightforward. You click on one here and you see it's always going to be this kind of like little round kind of click. This is the settings. So if I click on that module settings, then it's got all the different ones there. So the top one there, I've just got to click settings again, and then I can change this to, why, how do I use my dooup, whatever it is. And then going down here, and this is where I'll put all the response. You need to watch video, blah blah blah, and then click the tick like that. Sometimes you do it twice, so it's changed, and then you just click the tick again, and it's gone. And then you click the next one down. Once again, module. Oh, actually, no, sorry, same thing. My mistake. You've got them all there. So then you do this one, and you can go through and change those. You can add more as well, as you'll see in there. Sorry, I should have showed. When we go into the settings, let's just open this up a little bit. Add new accordion, like that, and like exactly there, and then just do the same thing there, and then close that up. And same on this side as well, so we can have the doubler amount, because I know there's quite a lot of FAQs. And click on that, add another one in there. So if you want to get started on the FAQs page, once you've updated it, then you go to Exit Visual Builder and save and exit, and that'll update all the changes. So you can work on FAQs. The blogs, this one's a bit more complicated. So if we click on the first one, don't remember putting that there, but yeah, there's a video there for some reason. So let's come to blogs later. The main thing is the FAQs and the garden page. Okay, so in the garden page, there's nothing really here. Enable video Visual Builder again. Yeah. And then we're going to add another segment. So that's the header area, and this is the footer. We just want to add another segment. So I'm just going to click here. What I'm looking for is that plus sign. So now I can add a new section. I'll just go for width. There it is. And then you can decide what you want to put in there. You could have a slider or code or image, menu, titles. Or Steve, if you go, okay, well, you can just can't put text in there. Got a header there. Oh, they get a full width post title. No, that doesn't make sense. Yeah, one sec. I'm just trying to figure this out. Yeah, it takes a little time getting used to this. So there is add, oh yeah, so let's just go regular. And then if you want, yeah, regular's better actually. So now if you want just one section, which is full width, that's kind of full width. Or if you want to break it into 2 partitions or 3, it's up to you. But I just do demonstrate the 2. And then you can decide on this one what you want to put there. So if I want to put an image or testimonial, whatever, just text. So I can put a text block there. And it goes in there. And then this one I can add image. And then you go into the files. And I can just add an image there, can't I? Just add this for practice, upload image. And there you have it in that section. Okay. It's not full width, but you know, if you want to just do that. So we can play out with this later on, but the main thing I guess I need help with is just getting the text and images in there. Later on, like we can do a background image using Canva and like kind of do some really cool stuff at the background. The main thing, as you know, is getting headers up there as well. Let's put a header in there. Full width header. Full width post. Yeah, full width header. The best pooper scooper in the world. Ah. There you go, one there. So if you want to get rid of the text, it's up to you. Just have it as a header. You can go into here, and you got the text here. You can do what you want there. You can just delete it out. Put one there for now. You can do something with the buttons if you want a button, or you can delete that out. If you go into the design area, you can start playing around with the text size as well. Title text. It's on a H1 tag there, but you can change it. And you can even increase the size. It's done there. Change the height a little bit. Yeah. So you get the idea. It's all pretty straightforward. So I put a title, full width title in there. There is a button there we can have or delete. I've added a text box there and an image box there. So let's just, yeah, you can rewind and see that again if you need clarification. We're still in Visual Builder mode. So make those changes now. I just go exit Visual Builder and save and exit. And that's it. They've all saved now. So I can now go between all the pages as I want. And then go into enable Visual Builder to make any changes. Okay. This bottom bit here, don't worry about that. Once you've made changes to your blog, then they will change naturally here. So you haven't got to worry about that. But it's whatever you want to put on the home page. So don't try and do anything too perfectly. It's mainly, as I said, just getting the text, images in there, any videos you want, and then we can both then figure out a way to make it look better and play around. The main thing of this is really just working on the SEO and getting this, you know, back on page 1, getting these units sold. Okay, so yeah, hopefully now that's that. I'm gonna finish recording.